little helper here with me today. She's being a little brat today, so she's just running all over the place. She's chasing the cat back and forth to the point I just can't stand it anymore. So I figured I'm going to pick you up, I'm going to hold you, and just going to give you some time out. Anyway, today I'm going to do something just a little bit different. I've got some leftover hamburger here that I really need to cook up. I've got to get it cooked up today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook it up and make it a nice treat for the dogs. So I'm going to cook up the hamburger. I've got some leftover carrots I'm going to use. I've got some leftover cabbage that I'm going to use. I've got a can of peas on the shelf. I'm going to throw that into the mix. And I'll even throw in a cup of rice in there. And tonight when I feed them, I'll just give them a couple tablespoons on top of their already dog food. And they'll feed off that for a couple days. So stick around. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw in some low sodium chicken broth. And then I'm going to throw in what's left of my cabbage. There we go, like that. And what's left of my carrots. I decided I'd go ahead and use up my other bag of shredded carrots, so I'll just add a couple more to that. And I also had a leftover tomato. Dogs like tomatoes. Mine do. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this up and throw that in there also. Wow, those two are playing. Chasing each other around the house. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in a can of sweet peas. I'm going to drain the juice. Throw that in there and mix that up. Just like so. Well, look what else I found. When I was looking in the freezer, I found some frozen blueberries. Dogs can eat blueberries and they love them. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw that into my mix. That was about half of what was already in there. So that'll be a nice little treat for them. And I'll mix that all up. All right. Now my water for my rice is getting ready. So go. Cover it, simmer it. Down to low, 10 minutes. So this is what it looks like when it's all finished. Doesn't that look yummy? Mmm, yummy. I want to tell you I had some leftover eggs. So I went ahead, I had about 4 eggs left of an older batch of eggs. I had just bought new eggs today. So I went ahead and I threw them in. I threw 4 eggs in there. And shells and all. So that's all mixed in there. And now we're just letting it cook through. And it's on a simmer. And this is going to simmer for another few minutes. And then I'm just going to turn it off and let it cool so that the dogs can have it for their dinner tonight. Alrighty. And that's what I did today. Okay, guys, that's it for me today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell. Hit that bell down there. Subscribe to my channel, and then that way, whenever I make a new video, you will know about it. Alrighty. We'll see you later. Be safe, be well, and be kind. Bye-bye. You guys want treats? Huh? You want treat? You want treat? Did Mama make you something good? What do you think? What are you waiting for? Did Mama make you a treat? What do you think it is? What do you think it is? Oh. Okay, well, what do you guys got to do? You want your treat? What do you got to do? Good girl. Good girl. Wait. You need to wait. Wait.